Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. And today I will discuss this pattern. Or in this pattern, we point 1 to 10 numbers, and all these numbers 1 is the difference between all these numbers. So we used nested for loop to create this pattern. Nested for loop is a loop in which for loop inside for loop, that is called nested for loop, and outer for loop is used for rows and inner for loop is used for columns. So we take two variables I and j, and I is used for outer loop and j is used for inner loop, and we take 3 as a parameter in outer for loop. I initialize to 1 and check condition I less than equal to 4 and I plus 1 means I goes 1 to 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and inside the inner loop we take j initialize to 1 and j less than equals to 4 and j increment to 1, and inside the inner for loop we point using printf function, we point k and initialize k equals to 1 outside the for loop, and after point the k variable, we increment the value of k, and outside the inner for loop we used printf function, and inside the printf function we used double quotes में backslash n. Backslash n is used for new line when cursor move to the next line after completing each row. So I hope you understand. When you compile this pattern, there is no error in this pattern and we run this pattern, then it is successfully run. If you change the j condition, inner loop condition, j less than equal to I, because this pattern is formed a right angle triangle pattern, so we used j less than equals to I, and if you used j less than equal to I, then this pattern is successfully created. So I hope you all guys understand that how to create this pattern, because in this pattern we point 1 to 10 numbers and in each number plus 1 is incremented. So we used a third variable k that is initialized to 1, and inside the for loop we point the value of k and k increment to 1. So like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. And if you guys have any concern, any queries, you can ask me, and thanks for watching, and I hope you like all guys are enjoyed a very lot.
I know one